Welcome to today's lesson. In this session, we'll be exploring how machine learning can significantly enhance policymaking by empowering data-driven decisions. As we discussed earlier, machine learning, whether through supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, can help policymakers predict outcomes, uncover hidden patterns, and refine policies based on feedback. However, the effective use of machine learning requires the right tools. Today, I will introduce you to several key tools that will simplify your workflow and make it easier to integrate machine learning into your policymaking processes. Whether you're managing public health data, reviewing budget reports, or analyzing education policies, these tools are designed to help you manage, analyze, and apply machine learning techniques, even if you're new to technology. Throughout this lesson, we'll cover spreadsheets like Google Sheets, which are accessible and easy to use for storing and analyzing data. SQL, a powerful language for managing large datasets. Google Colab, an online platform where you can write and run Python code. Python, one of the most widely used programming languages for data analysis and machine learning. GitHub, a platform for version control and collaboration, essential for working on machine learning projects in teams. And finally, ChatGPT, which can assist you in using these tools and support your machine learning journey. By the end of this session, you will have a good understanding of how to use these tools to make more informed, data-driven decisions in your policy work. Let's dive in. As outlined in the earlier sections, machine learning (ML) can significantly improve policymaking by enabling data-driven decisions. Whether through supervised, unsupervised, or reinforcement learning, ML can help policymakers predict outcomes, uncover hidden patterns, and refine policies through feedback. However, effectively using machine learning requires the right tools. Several key tools will help you manage, analyze, and apply data science techniques in your policymaking processes. These tools are designed to simplify the implementation of machine learning concepts, making them accessible even if you're new to technology. 1. Spreadsheets. Google Sheets. CSV files, a common format used in spreadsheets, are straightforward and efficient for storing large datasets, such as public health records or budget reports. In policymaking, these tools allow users to view, filter, and analyze data without requiring advanced technical skills. For instance, in supervised learning applications, Google Sheets enables users to easily review historical data like student performance or tax revenues, and leverage that information to make informed predictions about future policies. This accessibility makes spreadsheets a valuable resource for policymakers looking to integrate data-driven decision-making into their processes. 2. SQL. Spreadsheets like Google Sheets allow users to organize and analyze data using CSV files. They help policymakers make informed, data-driven decisions without needing technical expertise. Spreadsheets are particularly useful for smaller datasets, quick analyses, and when users need to visualize data easily or collaborate in real time. However, there are cases where SQL is more suitable than Google Sheets for machine learning. SQL is essential for managing and querying large datasets stored in databases. It excels in scenarios where complex queries are needed, such as filtering crime statistics or healthcare outcomes in specific regions. SQL is especially beneficial for unsupervised learning tasks, where identifying patterns without labeled data is crucial. In summary, use spreadsheets when you need accessibility, simple data manipulation, or collaboration among users. Opt for SQL when dealing with larger datasets, complex queries, or the need for precise data extraction. By choosing the appropriate tool for the task at hand, policymakers can enhance their data analysis and decision-making processes. 3. Google Colab. Google Colab is an online platform that lets you write and execute Python code in your browser, enhancing accessibility for data analysis and machine learning. In this course, you'll use Google Colab to interact with datasets stored in spreadsheets or databases via SQL. You can easily import data from Google Sheets, analyze it, visualize results, and develop machine learning models, making it a versatile tool for combining different data sources in your analysis workflow. Additionally, Google Colab provides access to powerful hardware like GPUs and TPUs, which can significantly speed up computational tasks, especially for machine learning models. Since Google Colab is free to use, it offers a cost-effective way for policymakers to leverage powerful computational resources without any financial burden. For Python. Python is a powerful programming language used for data analysis and machine learning. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a user-friendly programming language that's widely used for data analysis, machine learning, and more. Its simple syntax makes it accessible for beginners, so you don't need to be a coding expert to use it effectively. With Python, you can clean and organize data. It helps you prepare and tidy up data, making it easier to work with. Explore insights. Python allows you to analyze your data and discover valuable insights and patterns, which can inform your decisions. Build predictive models. You can create models that forecast outcomes based on historical data, helping you anticipate the effects of your policies. Visualize data. Python provides tools for creating charts and graphs, making complex data easier to understand and communicate to your constituents. Using Python on Google Colab? Now, you might be wondering, how do we actually use Python? One great platform for this is Google Colab. Google Colab is a free online tool that lets you write and run Python code directly in your web browser. Here's why it's beneficial. Accessibility. You can access Google Colab from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. There's no need to install complicated software on your computer. Integration with Google Sheets. You can easily import data from Google Sheets into Google Colab. This means you can organize your data in a familiar spreadsheet format and then use Python to analyze it. Powerful features. Google Colab offers access to powerful computing resources, like GPUs, which can speed up data processing and model training. Using SQL with Python. In addition to Google Sheets, Python can also work with SQL, which is a language used to manage and query databases. Here's how this works together. Data management. If you have large datasets stored in a database, you can use SQL to extract relevant data and then analyze it using Python in Google Colab. Combining strengths. By using Python alongside SQL, you can efficiently handle vast amounts of data, perform complex queries, and gain insights that are crucial for making informed policy decisions. 5. GitHub. Next, I want to talk about how GitHub can be an invaluable tool in machine learning, especially when combined with spreadsheets, SQL, Google Colab, and Python. Let's explore how GitHub enhances our workflow. Key benefits of using GitHub. Version control. First, GitHub provides version control for your code and data. This means you can track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others without losing any progress. This is crucial in machine learning, where we often make iterative improvements. Collaboration. GitHub makes it easy for multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously. You can share code written in Python or Jupyter notebooks, which facilitates collaboration on model development and data analysis. Integration with Google Colab. Another great feature is the seamless integration with Google Colab. You can import and export notebooks directly from GitHub, allowing you to save and share your work easily while running Python code. Storing data and scripts. GitHub allows you to store your machine learning scripts and any associated data files in one place. For instance, you can keep CSV files from spreadsheets in your repository, ensuring your team always has access to the latest datasets. Documentation. Good documentation is essential, and GitHub allows you to create comprehensive documentation using Markdown files. You can include setup instructions, usage guidelines for your Python scripts, and explanations of the datasets, making it easier for everyone to understand the project. Issue tracking. GitHub has an issue tracking feature that helps manage bugs, tasks, or feature requests related to your machine learning projects. This keeps everything organized and makes it easier to collaborate on specific problems. Integration with SQL. You can also store SQL scripts in your GitHub repository. This is useful for managing and querying your data, ensuring that these scripts are version controlled and accessible for your team. Open source contributions. GitHub is a hub for open source projects. You can explore and contribute to existing machine learning projects, learn from others' code, and apply new techniques in your own work. CI/CD pipelines. Finally, you can set up continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD pipelines using GitHub Actions. This automates the testing and deployment of your machine learning models, ensuring that updates are integrated smoothly into production environments. In conclusion, GitHub significantly enhances the machine learning workflow by providing a robust platform for collaboration, version control, documentation, and integration with tools like Google Colab, Python, SQL, and spreadsheets. By leveraging GitHub, you can streamline your data analysis and model development processes, making it easier to work with others and manage complex projects efficiently. 6. ChatGPT. If you are a novice to any of these tools, ChatGPT is here to help. I want to explain how ChatGPT can assist you step by step in using various tools for machine learning, specifically focusing on Google Sheets, SQL, Google Colab, Python, and GitHub. These tools are essential for making data-driven decisions in policymaking. Using Google Sheets with ChatGPT. Getting started. If you're new to Google Sheets, ChatGPT can guide you through setting up your first spreadsheet, showing you how to import CSV files and organize your data effectively. Data analysis. ChatGPT can help you understand how to use built-in functions to analyze data, filter information, and visualize trends. You can ask for specific formulas or functions to perform tasks like calculating averages or creating charts. Integrating with ML. When using Google Sheets for machine learning, ChatGPT can explain how to prepare your data for analysis and provide examples of how to leverage this data in your models. Working with SQL. Understanding SQL basics. If you need to query databases, ChatGPT can introduce you to SQL basics, explaining how to write queries to extract relevant data for analysis. Complex queries. For more advanced users, ChatGPT can assist in constructing complex queries, helping you filter and aggregate data efficiently, which is crucial for identifying patterns in unsupervised learning tasks. Utilizing Google Colab. Setting up Google Colab. ChatGPT can guide you through the process of accessing Google Colab and creating your first notebook, which is ideal for running Python code in the cloud. Importing data. You can learn how to import data directly from Google Sheets or SQL databases into Colab with the help of ChatGPT, allowing for seamless data analysis. Accessing resources. ChatGPT will explain how to leverage Google Colab's powerful features, such as using GPUs for faster computation and how to visualize results directly in your notebook. Programming with Python. Learning Python basics. If you're new to Python, ChatGPT can provide beginner-friendly resources, tutorials, and explanations to help you learn the language at your own pace. Data manipulation. ChatGPT can assist you with cleaning and organizing your data using Python libraries like Pandas, guiding you through code examples for tasks like filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. Model development. As you become more comfortable with Python, ChatGPT can help you build and train machine learning models, providing examples of how to use popular libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Collaborating with GitHub. Version control. ChatGPT can explain how to set up a GitHub repository for your project, guiding you through the process of version control to track changes and collaborate with others. Sharing code and data. You'll learn how to store your Python scripts, SQL queries, and any related data files in GitHub, ensuring everyone on your team has access to the latest versions. Documentation and issue tracking. ChatGPT can provide tips on creating effective documentation for your projects and how to use GitHub's issue tracking feature to manage tasks and collaborate more efficiently. In summary, ChatGPT serves as a valuable resource for guiding you through each step of using key machine learning tools like Google Sheets, SQL, Google Colab, Python, and GitHub. By leveraging this support, you can enhance your data analysis and decision-making processes, making your work in policymaking more effective and informed.